Greenhouse is really popping. We have some zucchini and some specialty summer squash, patty pans, the round ones they call 8-ball or cue ball. They're up and doing pretty well. The pulted tomatoes are up and doing extremely well. Artichokes, some cranberry that I accidentally dug out that we've rooted and getting ready to put back in. The cherry tomatoes, our first planting of squash, so everything's really doing well. Peppers look like they could use some fish fertilizer. They're looking a little pale. Some sunshine would really help them. Right next to them we have our cucumbers set to go, and our first planting of melons, followed by some eggplant and some more peppers that are yet to germinate. So we've been off grid for a couple days. Really bad windstorm came through, took us out of electricity, took the power out for a large swath of the area. It doesn't affect the greenhouse because we're on wood and propane, plus it's been warm. But I've been without electricity for a couple days, so hard to keep the cell phone / camera charged and edit videos, or more importantly watch other creators' videos. So fingers crossed, hopefully the power stays on. That's always good. We don't have anything against off-grid, we're just not set up for it, so we'd like to stay on it. But we'll see how things go. Hope everyone's doing well. Thanks for watching.